Good morning. Got Sprite. The Sprite is coming out. Got ginger ale. Ginger ale is coming through. Powerade. That's coming through. Mountain Dew Major Melon. That's coming through. And then we got Replenish Orange, which is also working. So this side is working fine. It's this side here where we have Pepsi that is not coming out. So what we'll do is I'll go to the back room and then I'll show you how to replace our bib pump. Okay, so now we are in the back room. Let me step back so you can kind of see what it looks like. This is where all of the flavors come from. All of the flavors that go to the soda machine and Slurpee machines. They're all up here on these racks. So right now I've already located the pump that is not working, and that is this pump right here. And as you can see, I have it clamped off. Okay, now this is some of the tools that you will need. I'll show you as we go along, but for this job you will probably just need a slotted screwdriver and a pair of pinch offs, a set of pinch offs like this here. And let me take it apart so you can see how it looks. Okay, hopefully you can see it there, but this is what it looks like. A pair of pinch offs, and this helps when you need to pinch off a line, a hose, because these hoses, they go far. They go out from back here all the way to the front of the store. So you usually, instead of emptying the whole line, you can just pinch off the line right here. Hopefully you can see this, but I'm gonna pinch it off, and you will get some leakage out of there. Okay, yeah, and you will get some leakage out of there, so I'll show you here. I usually put like a paper towel or something underneath just to catch whatever comes out. But as you can see, this pump has clips on it. It has a clip. And then you'll take your screwdriver, push back the clip on one side, and then you push the clip on the other side, and then you pop it out like this. Okay, this right here is called the automatic shut off, the auto shut off. So what this does is, if there's no syrup coming through the tube, this tube here, it will shut off. It won't allow the pump to pump any more syrup, any more air through the line. So this connects directly to that pump. Now I have a new pump that I'm going to show you, and then we will replace that pump, and then you should have the Diet Pepsi working after that. This is the new pump, Flojet pump. Has the terminals on the bottom, ports on the bottom, and then we're going to connect our auto shut off to the pump. and then push in that clip. You can hear it click. And then the other side, I use the slotted screwdriver because it's a little more narrow. You might be able to see that. I'm not sure. Okay, so that's clicked in. So the auto shut off is on. Now I'm going to connect the line, the outlet line. But I'm going to put it back in place first. Then we'll connect the line. I don't know if you can see that, but let me see. I'm going to show you the CO2 line. This right here, this brass piece, this is the CO2 line. As you can see, when I press it, air comes out. That pushes the CO2 through this pump and then out and pushes the syrup and the CO2 out to the soda machine. Okay, so now we're going to get connected here. There, that's connected. And now I'm going to connect this CO2 line back. So, there, just push it up and then click it. Okay, so we got that is going through now. The new pump is on. Now I'm going to go back to the front to the machine and then purge that line so that the air can come out of the line.